When I put solid wood banding onto a plywood panel, I put it on such that this piece of banding bypasses that one, and I let it just run wild on one end. I let it run long. And it's much easier to do what I'm about to show you than it is to do the fussy cuts of trying to get this piece exactly the same as the door. So, I'm going to clamp it in place, because now we need to take care of that overhang. And the best way to do this for me is with a pull saw. It's a very fine tooth saw. It's got to be 18 or 20 TPI. The key to this is not to just do this. It's to use your left hand, if you're right hand dominant, to register against that face. So with these fingers, I'm holding the blade against the existing piece of banding, and then get started with your cut. And what this is making happen is it's forcing this cut to be flush to this face. So throughout the cut, maintain that pressure. And when you look here, you can see that that blade is dead flat against that other piece of banding. That's what's making this work. Perfectly flush, little bit of sanding, it's going to look great. It's the easiest way to deal with that overly long banding.